So, my Glamps here, he flatlined twice from getting a heart transplant.
Yeah, I got it.
Here's his scores. Yeah, so he has a second chance at life, and he wants to spend every moment of it making people laugh. Isn't that right?
Exactly.
Isn't that right? Okay, guys, you have a chance to win $100 if you answered 5 questions correctly. If you guys answered 5 questions correctly about the male and female animal anatomy, you have a chance to win $100. Just be legit. Yep. A hundo. Okay.
Hundo.
Alright, so would you like the male anatomy or the female animal anatomy?
Male.
Alright, number 1. Male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
False.
False. That is true.
Oh my god. Okay.
Male or female animal anatomy?
Female.
Oh, okay. Number 1. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
Okay, we're gonna go with false.
That's true.
Dang it!
Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas.
I'm gonna say true.
That's true.
Awesome.
Alright.
Alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
Male alligators
True?
You wanna go with true?
I'm feeling it. True.
Alright, that's correct. That's correct.
I did not know that.
Yep. Male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
That's false. False.
Alright, false? That was true.
That was true.
Male lions can mate up to 100 times a day, and this can go on for 4 to 5 days in a row. True or false?
100 times a day? That seems pretty ambitious.
Yeah, I don't know if I'd be doing that if I was a male lion.
I would go with false.
We'll go with false.
That's incorrect, sir. I'm sorry, but that's incorrect. Alright, number 3. Female brown trouts can fake orgasms. True or false?
Say the question one more time.
Female brown trouts can fake orgasms. True or false?
True.
That's true.
Alright, that's 3.
Alright, number 4. Polar bears often perform oral sex on their male counterparts. True or false?
True.
False!
Okay.
I'll give you guys a second chance. You guys can do the female questions now, because we like you so much. Number 1. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
False. False. What? False.
Okay, that is true. That is true. I'll give you another chance, but you're gonna have to do the female animal anatomy, okay? Alright. Number 1. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
True. Yeah, true.
That's true. Alright, male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
I'm gonna go with true. We think true. We think true.
That's correct. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
Female what?
Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
Yeah, the other one false. False.
That's true, sir. I'm sorry. Male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
Within a what?
An erection.
False.
That's true.
Okay.
Female pigs can have an orgasm for 30 seconds and have been known and have the big O for up to 90 minutes.
True.
Might as well go true.
That is correct. Male lions can mate up to 100 times a day, and this can go on for up to 4 to 5 days in a row. True or false?
I think that's true. That's true. True.
That is correct.
Alright.
The female brown trout can fake orgasms. True or false?
True. Sounds like a woman.
That's true. Alright, number 3. Gorillas have been known to masturbate up to 12 to 15 times a day. True or false?
True.
That is false.
Ah!
Number 4. Female polar bears often perform oral sex on their male counterparts. True or false?
True.
That's false. I'm sorry. You guys have to say this five times under 10 in 10 seconds.
Good.
Okay, now ready? Alright, but one person only. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh man, I spank myself. How many times? Oh, we're good. No, we're good.
Say this 5 times under 10 seconds, okay? Say this 5 times under 10 seconds, okay?
Did you read it 5 seconds?
On your mark, get set, go.
I am Sofa King Beats. Keep going. I'm Sofa King retarded.
5 seconds left.
I did.
5 seconds left.
I'm Sofa King retarded.
Time's up. I'm sorry, no money.
I am Sofa King retarded. Oh.
What? What did you say?
I am so. No, I'm not saying.
What did you say?
He didn't get it. He didn't do it 10 seconds.
We love you guys so much that we'll give you one more, alright? Yeah, another guy. Alright, you'll do it. On your mark, get set, go.
I am a penis.
Say it.
I am a penis. I am a penis. I am penis. I am a penis.
Alright, you passed. $20. Go.
I am Sofa King retarded.
Alright, go. Yeah?
I am Sofa King retarded.
Yeah?
Say it again.
Just read it again.
I
2 seconds left.
Sofa King.
Keep going.
I'm so confused.
Just say it really fast. Come on.
I am Sofa King retarded. Yeah, I'm confused.
Keep going. Keep going.
Sofa. I am Sofa King retarded. Yeah, you're right. Yeah. What does it say?
About the female and male anatomy of animals. And if you answer 5 questions correctly, you get $100.
Okay.
Number 1. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
That's true.
That's correct. Female pigs can have orgasms for 30 minutes and have been known to have the big O for 90 minutes. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Alright, number 3. Female brown trouts can have fake orgasms. True or false?
False.
That's true.
How many we lose?
Male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
False.
That's true.
That's it.
We'll give you another chance. Go for the feet.
Alright, we're going for the female anatomy. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
True.
That's true. Female pigs can have orgasms for 30 minutes and have been known to have the big O for 90 minutes. True or false?
True.
That's true. Alright, number 3. Female brown trouts can have fake orgasms. True or false?
False.
That's true.
Damn.
So first, would you like the male or female animal anatomy?
Give me the male anatomy.
Alright. Male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
I'm gonna have to say this is false.
That's true.
Okay.
Alright, we're going for the female anatomy. Number 1. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
They only get false. They only get birth.
All right.
They only give birth to 1 baby. It's gotta be 1, because they only give birth to 1 baby at a time.
So false.
That's true.
To support Treff, all you need to do is follow his YouTube page, Second Life Treff.
Number 1. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
No, I don't.
They got a pouch though. They got.
Yeah, I don't, but that's not considered a vagina.
Yeah, I know, but I'm saying.
I say false.
That's the question I was gonna ask.
I say false.
False.
You think they do?
What's your final answer?
False.
False.
That's
So we lost.
alright, we're going for the male animal anatomy. Male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
You got some good questions. I ain't gonna lie. I'm not.
I don't know about that.
He's got more. He's got many more.
That's true.
That's true.
Okay.
True.
That's true. Male lions can mate up to 100 times a day, and this can go on for up to 4 to 5 days in a row. True or false?
True.
What's your final answer?
If you say final answer, that might be false though.
Final answer though.
True.
He says that every.
That's true.
That's why they're so tired all the time, man.
Alright, number 3. Gorillas have been known to masturbate up to 12 to 15 times a day.
Ooh, that might be right. That's false.
That might be
No,
true.
wait,
They
we're
got, okay, so think about it, Mill.
Shut up. False.
Big ass head.
False.
False.
Final answer.
False.
That's false. True or false? An erect elephant penis can weigh up to 66 pounds.
I think that's true.
Final answer.
True.
That's true.
One more to go, baby. 4 for 4.
Alright, number 5. Echidnas have 4-headed penises.
What is an echidna?
Animal and echidna.
Echidnas have 4-headed penises.
Yes, that's true.
How you don't even know
true.
what that is?
True.
Final answer.
True.
Birthday boy.
That's true. Alright, so you have to say it 5 times in 10 seconds. One person has to say it all. On your mark, get set, go.
Oh! I'm so fucking retarded. 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 I'm so fucking retarded.
Alright, we'll give you another one for $20. Go.
I spank myself. 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 I spank.
Go.
I am Sofa King, we tied it. 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 I am Sofa King, we tied it.
If you can read this phrase 5 times under 10 seconds, you get $20.
Alright, bet.
3, 2, 1, go.
I am a penis. 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 Yes! Yes!
All right.
Hey man, I fucking love you guys, man.
Go.
I am Sofa King, we tied it.
Faster.
I am Sofa King, we tied it. I am Sofa King, we tied it. I am Sofa King, we tied it. I am Sofa King, we tied it.
You said it. I am so fucking retarded.
That's okay.
So if you guys answer 5 questions true or false about the female and male animal anatomy, you guys get $100, okay?
Okay.
You can answer as a group on this one. Alright, so $100. You have a chance to win $100 just to make this legit.
If they get it right.
Do alligators spend their entire life with an erection? True or false?
True.
That's correct. Do alligators spend their entire life with an erection? True or false?
That's a trick question. That's a trick question, though. That's a trick question. I feel like that's true. Think about it, man. Think about sex 10 seconds.
I'd say it's true because it's a weird question. I don't know.
What do you think? True. All right, true. We're going true.
That's correct. Would you like the male or female animal anatomy? Answer as a group. Answer as a group. Answer as a group. Answer as a group. Would you like the male or female animal anatomy?
Male.
Do alligators spend their entire life with an erection? True or false? Allowing women's intuition.
But I was always told true false.
If it says everything, you should do the opposite.
I've never seen a gator say false.
Wait,
Who's the spokesman?
false, false.
That's true.
Which one?
Male lions can mate up to 100 times a day, and this can go on for up to 4 to 5 days in a row. True or false?
I'm gonna say true.
That's correct. Male lions can mate up to 100 times a day, and this can go on for up to 4 to 5 days in a row. True or false?
That's gotta be true. That's gotta be true. What do you say? They always. That's why they're always tired.
Times a day.
They're always tired.
Never see them.
Yeah, we never see it.
Women and the
You guys know
men.
this all the time. All right.
Allowing women's intuition.
False, false.
That's true. That is incorrect.
It's true.
Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
They have 3 vaginas. Can we phone a friend?
Yeah, it's a gloop.
We can phone a friend.
Yeah.
Phone Jessica. Phone Jessica.
You can phone 10 friends. 10 friends.
True? 3 vaginas. I'm gonna say kangaroo. Yeah. I think 2. I think 2 would be the maximum. I think it's false. They don't have. We're gonna say false. Yeah, we think that's false. False.
Okay, final answer is true. Number 3. Gorillas have been known to masturbate 12 to 15 times a day. True or false? Women's intuition.
False.
That's correct. Male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false? That is true. And this is still the male animal anatomy. An erect elephant penis can weigh up to as much as 66 pounds. True or false?
True.
That's correct. Echidnas have 4-headed penises. True or false?
False.
That's true. Alright, I'll give you guys a second chance. Male or female anatomy? Alright, male anatomy. Number 1. Male alligators spend their entire life with an erection. True or false?
True. It seems I would not be shocked by that. I would not be shocked either.
They do seem aggressive.
They do seem aggressive. We're gonna say true.
That is correct. Alright, now we're gonna go on to the female animal anatomy for you guys. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
How many do they have?
I'm learning so much. That's interesting. True.
Alright, that is correct. It was true. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
That sounds true.
It's gotta be true.
No way. How does that work though? Final answer?
That's gotta be
Final answer?
There's not going to be 2 truths in a row. This is how I answer tests.
We going false? False.
True. It's true. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
Male kangaroos?
Have 3 vaginas. True or false?
That's false.
That's true. I'm sorry. Female brown trouts can fake orgasms. True or false?
Female trout? Like a fish?
Yeah, trout. Brown trouts.
How do they even prove that?
Well, it's either true or false.
True.
That is correct. Female kangaroos have 3 vaginas. True or false?
False.
Answer as a gloop.
False.
That's true. Male lions can mate up to 100 times a day, and this can go on for 4 to 5 days in a row. True or false?
I'd actually have.
I'm going to have to go true on that.
That's probably true. Your thoughts on that?
5 days in a row.
5 days in a row is a long time for 100 times a day.
I don't know.
We'll do that.
Both? You don't think so?
Okay, we're gonna say false, I guess.
Okay, that's true.
Oh! I wanted true. Can I be
Female polar bears often perform oral sex on their male counterparts. True or false?
Go ahead, you answer.
Woman's intuition.
I was just going with all truth. Okay, true.
the day?
true?
That's false. You guys got a chance for $20 for the bonus round. You have to say this 5 times in 10 seconds. Go.
I spank myself. I spank myself.
5 times.
I spank myself. I spank myself. I spank myself. I spank myself. I spank myself.
Okay. She gets a 20. She gets a 20. She gets a 20. If you say this, only one of you guys. If you say this word 5 times in 10 seconds, you get $20.
Alright, I'll do it.
Ready, set, go.
I am so fucking retarded it. 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 I am so fucking retarded.
Ready, set, go.
I am so fucking we dot TDE. Todd. It. I already did it. Oh, it's 5 times? I am so fucking weak. That way, Todd it. I am fly so for we Todd it. I am so fucking we Todd it.
The real word is I'm so fucking retarded. Go.
I am Sofa King, we Todd it. 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 I am Sofa King, we Todd it.
Thank you. I am so retarded.
It's I am so fucking retarded. Only one of you has to say this phrase 5 times in under 10 seconds to get $20.
It won't be me. Okay.
How many times? 5 times in 10 seconds?
Yeah. Ready, set, go.
I'm not gonna. Oh, I am so fucking retarded. I am so fucking retarded. I am so fucking retarded. I am so fucking retarded.
He did it.